Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change name on ticket on Travelocity Booking. To change the name on your ticket for a booking on Travelocity, these are the steps that you need to take. First, open your browser and go to www.travelocity.com. Once you get into the official website for Travelocity, just follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account or to log in using an existing account credentials. After logging in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Travelocity. Once you're on this homepage, click on the Trips tab, which is in the top right corner of the page. Click on that to go to the section where all your bookings are listed. In the Trips section, find the booking that contains the tickets you want to change. Have you found it? Now click on the specific booking to view the full details. On the booking details page, look for any option related to change name. If available, this option will allow you to update the name on your ticket. Now, some airlines allow name changes while others may not. The change name option might direct you to the airline's website or provide instructions on how to proceed with the change. Keep in mind that there may be a fee for changing the name, and the request must usually be made well before the flight date. If there is no change option visible in your booking, you will need to contact Travelocity's customer support. How do you do that? Click on Support, the Support tab, which is in the top right corner of the home page to access support options prominently, like the most available is the live chat. Now, which is found, of course, at the bottom right corner of the screen. Provide the details of your booking and request the name change there. Travelocity would then communicate with the airline to process the change on your behalf. Once the name change request is processed, you should receive confirmation of the update from Travelocity or the airline. This confirmation may be sent via email or displayed in your account. Now, I'd like you to know the name changes are subject to the airline's policies, and some airlines may not allow changes to the name on tickets or may require additional documentation, example, marriage certificate for a last name change. And most airlines charge a fee for name changes, and some may only allow minor corrections like spelling errors. Verify with the airline or Travelocity support. Of course, it is important to request name changes as soon as possible, as many airlines require changes to be made well in advance of your travel date. So go about this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.